So I want to get an overview of this before it gets torn down too much here. Just a sort of a walk around. It's in the garage, so I can't really get good distance. I'm starting to take the interior out, as you can see. Back bunks. I'm leaving the stove and the sink unit there, cabinet unit, for a little bit later. But get a bigger, see if I can get back far enough here. Around the back side here. So, some damage down here, all along that bottom there. We're gonna be replacing that. And the damage continues down around this side. We're actually gonna replace these panels, probably cut them off right about here to that seam right there. Right down, take that whole thing out there, put a new panel in there, probably both sides, as well as this bottom portion that runs along underneath the engine right down here. It's got some significant damage. Obviously pull this bumper mount off right here. We have a new bumper for it right over there. Coming down this side, I can't get much distance here because of the wall. Electrical hook up there. That's your water, your plumbing fixtures there. And back over to the driver's side here. The beautiful fuse box right there. It's completely torn apart. So, we've already taken the backs off the seats here this morning. And I will be continuing to take this panel off for the rest of it there. It's winter here, so not a lot of exterior work's going to get done. All the windows are going to get pulled. New seals obviously put on them. As you can see as I zoom in here, how terrible these seals are. And that continues here. Missing the antenna right there. That's on order. And we have a little bit of damage right here too. So I'm either going to use a dent puller on there, more than likely. And it's either that or replace this entire front piece here, and I don't know if I really want to do that, so I think I can pull that dent and fix that there. But other than that, not a bad van, really. Come warmer weather, we will pull this top off and put on some sawhorses and get some fiberglass cleaner and get some of the mold and dirt off of that. So I just wanted to take this early video of this project here, where we're at right now, and for posterity's sake, so when she's all fixed up and pretty there, we can look back at it.